how to recover something from the trash on this Android phone. So here's an object and I will make a picture of that object. And now I will open it in the file manager in the internal storage, DCIM camera, and here is my card reader, the picture that I just took. Now I will delete it. Here's the trash can sign, delete, move to trash. It doesn't say delete permanently, it's moving it to the trash, so move it there. The file disappeared from the file manager. Now to get it back, swipe down from the top, go to the settings wheel, that wheel, settings, go to the bottom of this list, and here before app we have battery and device care. It has a green icon, so battery and device care, tap on that one. And here you have storage, tap on it. And there is our favorite category, the trash. So I deleted it using the file manager. Let's see if in gallery it appears. Yes, there it is. All those files were deleted before, so tap on the desired one and now we have restore in the lower left corner, or we can delete it. If I tap on delete, it says permanently delete. It doesn't say move to the recycle bin or trash. So cancel it. I will restore it and it will appear here in file manager. So restore. Now I can go to the file manager and I just got my file back. Files are stored in the trash and they occupy 21 gigabytes of free space. If you want, you can empty the trash by going to any of these. Let's see, gallery. Here in the upper right corner, tap on the three dots and there is the empty button. I will not empty it right away. And here at trash we have the three dots. Tap on those three dots and we can add it to the home screen also. Add to home screen, add, the icon will be visible on the home screen. Okay, and it added a trash icon here. I have 3 pages. Let's move it to the second one. Tap and hold on it, move it to the left and drop it, let's say there. And if I tap on the trash, it's showing the categories. Images and videos in the trash will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So the phone is automatically emptying the trash without you doing anything. But if you need more space right away, then you must empty the trash.